Start by setting your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's preheating, grab a mixing bowl and combine 2 cups of self-rising flour with 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir these together until a soft dough forms. If it feels a bit sticky, don't hesitate to add a touch more flour. Once combined, it's time to shape these beauties. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface. Here's a little secret to creating those flaky biscuit layers. Gently fold the dough over a few times. Then press it down to about a 1/2 inch thickness. Next, use a biscuit cutter or even a glass to cut out your biscuits. If you have any remaining scraps, don't let them go to waste. Simply reform and cut until all the dough is used. Now, it's time to bake. Place the biscuits onto a baking sheet. If you fancy soft sides, make sure the biscuits are touching each other, or for crisper sides, give them some space. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes or until you see a beautiful golden brown hue. Once done, remove the biscuits from the oven. And here's a little optional flourish. Brush the tops with melted butter. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.